guys, so we are finally at Kuantan and we are here in this area and it's an empty parking lot where we're gonna try the pre-collision braking and we're going to slalom. Here we have Kenneth.
Hello.
And what are we going to be trying now? I'm very scared. I see all the cars.
We are actually trying the pre-collision system.
Okay.
Yeah. And basically, okay, road here is not perfect. So you go speed about 25.
25.
Yeah. And then you first, of course, you hear a audible warning.
Yeah.
Together with a visual warning.
Okay.
But normally when you're driving, you don't really have time to look at the information display. But you hear a very, very distinct visual audible warning.
Yeah.
Beep, 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 beep. You still don't do anything. Actually, the car will kick into an emergency brake at the very last minute.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's why we are actually going up to speed of 25. You can do a bit higher in perfect condition roads.
Yeah.
Yeah. Just that this one we are in a car park that's not very well maintained.
Okay. Anyone banged before?
No.
Okay. Wait, okay, so I'm just supposed to go at 25.
Yes, 25. And then just continue on.
Am I supposed to lift my leg off the accelerator?
Well, at this situation, yes, because like I said, the road condition is not great.
Okay.
But in the real life situation, you can actually, I mean, you don't really need to.
Okay.
You notice that the beep comes on very early.
Yeah.
Normal reaction would be people would brake.
Okay.
Correct.
Yeah.
So when the beep comes on, the brake assist already is on.
Okay, it's already helping you.
Yes, but I want you to show. We want to show that you come to a full stop by itself also.
Okay.
Right? Can proceed. Yeah.
So I just go at 25.
Yes. Yes. Wait, more. Yes. More. Some more. Okay. Yep. Maintain. You hear the beep.
What the fuck?
Yeah. Again, it's emergency. It's emergency situation. It's not autonomous driving. Yeah. Yes. Alright, you can actually reverse.
Okay.
Yes.
Wow.
Yes.
But that was 25, so it's not that freaky, but
yeah, but it actually works up to 40 in the,
up to 40.
Yeah. Again, like I said, this is a very emergency type of situation. Yeah.
Yeah. What if I were to go any faster? What will happen?
Okay, if you go any faster, let's say above 40,
yeah, above 40.
you still work. Just that the faster you go, the longer braking distance you need. So what PCS does is it will attempt to stop. It will attempt to slow you down.
Yeah.
So it minimizes the damage.
Okay.
In terms of
so it will still work.
Yes, you still work. In actual fact, it works all the way up to like 200.
So does it calculate the distance? Let's say if you're going at 60 kilometers per hour, does it calculate for you?
Not really.
No.
Not really. Yes. Okay. Because again, it's like eyesight is like our eyes.
Yeah.
There's only so far we can see.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then that's it.
Yeah, because I understand your braking distance, it will times 4, right?
Yes, correct.
So I just want to know whether the system will calculate for you in the case that, let's say I was going 25 and it takes, for example, 2 meters.
Yep.
So if I go double that speed, which is 50, will it calculate the braking distance for me?
No.
So
again,
it has a set distance that
yes. Okay, again, you have to understand the limitation of PCS in the sense that even in moving, okay, if let's say the other car is going at 80, you're approaching 120, it will slow you down to the 80.
Okay.
There is that because not just stationary, correct.
Okay.
It's not just stationary things that we bang into. Sometimes we bang into moving. Accident happens in the moving vehicle.
Yeah.
So what happens? Let's say if the speed is too high, difference is too high.
Yeah.
The damage is minimized.
Yeah. Okay.
Rather than no brake at all and you just push them away. Yeah.
Yep.
So that's
at
the
least
advantage.
it minimizes
Correct.
the damages now.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Cool.
Alright.
Thank you, Kenneth.
No problem.
Machine, you ready?
Yeah.
Good to go? Alright, and go. Slalom at 30.
30.
Okay, kita tengok pula bang. Buat slalom test. Woo! Okay, bagi drift sikit.
Low traction surface.
Tak takut.
Okay, lane change time.
Okay, and do the lane change at 30 as well. 30-ish, go. Power to 30. Do the lane change, no brakes.
No brakes.
Nice.
Nice.
Okay lah.
Okay, car 3, you're done. You can go back to the lead 1. Yeah?
Car number 3 kena ban sebab kita orang degil.
One as well.
Tak apalah, kita nak test sama ada ketahanan kereta ni dengan dia punya.
Alright.
Okay guys, so we just finished our slalom and pre-collision braking and lane change, sudden lane change. So I think it's because of the condition of the floor, so you can feel the traction or the tires not gripping to the floor properly. But apart from that, yeah, it felt pretty good. It's a fun exercise lah. But of course, the steering is direct. It's very responsive for an SUV. And yeah, now we're going to the hotel finally. It's 5. We started at 8:39 in the morning.
I'm starting from 4.
Yeah, starting from 4. Plus you live in JB. So yeah, time to go back to the hotel.